Instagram is one of the best platforms to grow your online community. But when it comes to monetizing it, you've got to get off the app. Yes, Instagram does have a paid subscriber feature, but you need at least 10,000 followers. The fees can be high, and you're at the mercy of their ever changing policies. Instead of leaving your income in Instagram's hands, get your audience off Instagram and onto your own website where you control how you monetize your followers. In this video, we're going to talk all about how to turn your Instagram followers into paid subscribers by offering them exclusive content on your own website. But first, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. All right, step one, decide what to sell. Before you do anything else, you need to figure out what kind of exclusive content your followers actually want. If you're not sure, I've got a few strategies to help you come up with some ideas. One of the best ways to do this is to check your comments and your DMs. What are people asking you about the most? You can also look at your Instagram insights to see which content gets the most engagement. This will give you a good clue about what your audience is most interested in. Another strategy is to post polls and Q&As in your stories to ask your followers directly what kind of content they'd pay for. And if you want to test the waters, you could try running a giveaway where the winner gets free access to a digital product that you've created. If a lot of people enter, that's a sign that there's demand. And if you're still not sure what to sell, here are some of the most profitable digital products that other creators and business owners are monetizing right now. The most popular thing that our customers at MemberSpace offer is a content library of digital resources. This can include templates, videos, PDFs, articles, or really any other type of file where people can access your resources on demand. Some people also sell exclusive newsletters where paying subscribers get weekly or monthly content. Others offer private podcasts where subscribers get access to bonus episodes or ad-free content. You can also sell online courses. Those are a great option whether you're teaching a specific skill or sharing educational content. Some creators run private communities on their websites where members can join discussions, attend live calls, or get access to special resources. Other options include paid coaching calls, digital downloads like ebooks or guides, and even digital magazines. So you can obviously sell a lot of different types of things, whatever works best for your business and your audience. Once you've decided what to sell to your Instagram followers, the next step is setting up your own membership site where people can pay you for access. With MemberSpace, you can turn any website into a full-blown membership business. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to sign up for a MemberSpace account and install it on your website. Next, you'll need to add your digital products that you've created to pages on your website. You can upload your files directly to the pages, embed videos from YouTube or Vimeo, however you want to do it. Then you'll go to your MemberSpace dashboard and restrict access to those pages so only paying members can see them. You'll do this by adding the slug for each page right here. This will instantly add a paywall to those pages, making them exclusive to paying subscribers. You also get to set up your pricing plans however you want, whether you want to charge a reoccurring subscription fee, a one-time payment, or even offer some of your content for free, whatever you want to do. MemberSpace handles the payments for you through its built-in Stripe integration, so once someone signs up, they get instant access to your content and you get paid automatically. This gives you full control over how to monetize your audience. And just to give you a little inspiration, here are a few examples of creators and business owners who have successfully turned their Instagram followers into paying subscribers using the same strategy. First, there's Jenny Rawlings, a yoga teacher who has built a really strong Instagram following by sharing her expertise. She promotes her yoga class library on Instagram and then sells access through her membership site. Next is Robert Lunn, a guitar instructor with more than 200,000 Instagram followers. He sells guitar lessons and sheet music online, and when someone signs up on his website, they get full access to his library of materials. And lastly, another great example is The Confessionals, a podcast hosted by Tony Merkel. He uses Instagram to tease his podcast content and direct followers to his paid members-only website. His paid subscribers get access to exclusive episodes, ad-free content, and a private community. These creators aren't just relying on Instagram to make money. They're using it as a tool to drive people to their own platforms where they have complete control over their business. Building your own membership site gives you way more flexibility and security than using Instagram's built-in subscriptions feature. Why? Well, you control the pricing, so you can set your own rates and offer different membership tiers. You own your subscriber list, so if Instagram changes its policies or removes your account for some reason, you won't lose everything. You keep more of your earnings instead of handing over a percentage to a platform. Google and Apple take 30% of your in app subscription revenue, which is just huge. And most importantly, you get to decide how you market and deliver your content without having to worry about whether the algorithm will show it to your audience. If you want to build a long term sustainable income, Instagram should be a way to attract followers for sure, but not your main source of revenue. Let me know if you have any questions about turning your Instagram followers into paid subscribers in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.